Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back in Indianapolis. It's a gorgeous day for a walk around. So I brought my good friend Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds. Actually, he brought me here. So been driving, cruising in the TRX, living in style. We've noticed way too many semi-trucks on the road.
It's that time of year, huh?
But we're not going to talk about that. They're everywhere. They're out there everywhere, clogging up traffic. No, the country would not even survive without the semi-trucks. We're going to talk about a kind of car that kind of built the country, or built the sports car industry in the country. We have a little red Corvette. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons?
Why it looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, like, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Just like Prince said, little red Corvette. Randy's doing some rearranging. Oh, that's a mess.
Yeah.
But he wanted to get a better look at the damage right here. And it looks like a lot, but Randy's had a lot of these Corvettes. Would you be afraid of something like this?
Yeah, the
You
frame
would be?
rail's totally smashed. Yeah.
What is this, 99 Chevy Corvette. So everybody's been telling me I need to get one of these on my channel, but I don't want this one. Oh, that doesn't just bolt on there. That
No, that's the
goes
frame
all
rail,
the
yeah.
whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fixable though, I'm sure. You could section it, right? Somewhere right here.
Yeah, and then
Between these bolts right there, you could section it, I'd imagine.
if I only knew how to do that. Yeah. I don't know.
Facebook Marketplace, find somebody who can weld, tell them to come weld you on a piece of a frame weld. Hope for the best.
I tried that on a E420 that I had. I tried to weld and it did not go very well at all.
We could weld it.
We could?
We'll go to Harbor Freight.
I
buy a
got
welder.
one.
You
I
got
got
a welder?
one. I do.
You?
I have one.
You have a welder.
I have a welder. Yeah, that I tried on that E420 and it didn't.
Oh,
couldn't
dude,
do it.
We could do it together. We could figure it out.
Okay, well, let's buy the car.
Go ahead. You buy it, and I'll help you figure out how to weld.
It wouldn't make it, we couldn't drive this back.
We could, yeah. Why not?
What's damaged? Is the radiator damaged here?
Maybe, but you could put another radiator. You can't put the hood back on. You don't
Yeah.
need the hood.
Right.
In fact, it looks cooler without one, so everybody can see that big old 5.7 there.
See, there you go. Yeah.
You could drive this.
Tires are good.
The wheels are facing the same direction. You
Yeah.
could drive this. You could.
Totally, we could totally rock this. And then I might, yeah, okay. I almost gave something away, but I can't talk about that yet. So,
Huh?
yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. We've been watching a lot of Blossom for some reason. I don't know.
Tell people that.
Randy has discovered a sitcom from the 90s, and he just loves it. And he loves these Corvettes from the 90s, too. Why is that sticking up?
It's just, who knows?
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah. I'm so glad they arranged all these cars for us, but it's hard to get in and out in the mud.
That it is.
And I don't want to total the cars any more than they are already totaled. But you get some pieces in the hatch there. A little DVD. There's your intake. Let's just see how uncomfortable these seats are. Okay, I'm going in. Oh, this is another one. I got it. Why can I not sit in these cars? Why are the people so little that buy these cars?
And soon we'll be driving one of these all over the country, right?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I didn't want to give it away. Okay, that's a little better.
C6s are a lot more comfortable than these.
Okay.
A lot.
Yeah. Well, is there power?
Of course not. I guarantee you there's not power. Here's the keys.
Okay.
See if you got you some power over there.
Let's just see what's going to happen here. No.
No.
Okay, we are going to enter the vehicle on this side. We're not going to get it muddy. I'm learning. Okay, that was a little better that time. This is not a bad place to be. Okay, I hear bells. We're going to give her a quick little start and see what she sounds like. You ready?
Go for it.
You gonna get shocked?
Maybe.
Oh. Ah!
I guess I'll leave it on.
That battery is really dead. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, something's hitting. Something's hitting. We have door ajar, service column lock, hatch ajar, brake before shift, service column lock. Okay. Here we go. What is this? Fuel. Low coolant. Let's just reset everything. Low coolant. Let's see what. I popped that. Ugh. We do have low coolant.
Mike, it's rolling.
No, it's not. We have a shift lock and a coolant
Yeah, I
light.
don't think there's any coolant in it.
Yeah. This would hold bags and stuff for road
easily.
trips and stuff.
Yes, no problem. Woo! Kazoon tight.
Wow, I'm allergic to vets. Okay. This runs good though.
It runs great and it has no mass airflow sensor because it's still
It's
attached
right there.
to here, so that's phenomenal.
Ah! Wow. Okay. And the engine is nice and quiet. Don't want to let it run too long.
Well, it's got coolant, Mike. I'm looking at the coolant.
Oh,
It's low, but it has coolant. And you
Okay.
can see the coolant circulating, right?
right
See
through
it
there.
right there.
Yeah.
Because people are going to say we're destroying property. There's coolant, so the radiator is holding. I'm telling you, drive. It would. As long as the headlights pop up,
Yeah.
or you drive it in the daytime only. There you go.
I don't know where that goes. But it runs.
Headlights work.
Okay. Go down. Oh, it's caught right here. Yeah, it's caught on the bumper. Didn't notice that, so yeah.
I'm not sticking my hand in there because it's going to smack me. That's fine. It doesn't. That's fine.
Yeah. Okay. 99 Chevy. Tow in. That would be really fun to have.
This is fixable.
That would be really, really fun to have.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah. Tires look good. There's a little bit of tread left. Okay. What do you think? Should Mike finally add a vet to the channel? She's smoking a little bit. But she looks good.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
Get it done. From a little red Corvette to a little red camper on a mid-size yellow Colorado from 2004. Randy immediately noticed this. Yeah, what word did you use?
Ghetto rig.
Yeah, that was rigged, absolutely. Who knows what this is from?
It doesn't go to this.
It does not fit this car, the truck at all. But I like the truck. I like the Colorado.
I do too.
This is a little cattywampus here. It's sticking out a little bit,
Ooh.
and it's flat.
Just air the tire up. It'll be fine.
It'll push it back in line.
Probably.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
So I thought this would be fun to look at. One, because it's yellow, because I don't see a lot of yellow cars or trucks anymore. Two, I wanted to see the camper. You know, and I was thinking maybe it would tow something, but we'd have to fix some dimensions,
Yeah.
some dimensional issues.
You could call it mellow yellow.
I was going to say that. I really was. When I saw the truck, I was going to call it mellow
Sorry,
yellow.
I stole it from you.
Yeah. Yeah, she's a little stinker.
Oh God.
She's been through.
That's
Something.
You need some luminol for this truck. And a
Yeah,
black light.
and a black light. There's a lot of bodily fluids going on in here. Wow. But I do. I like the color. 4x4. That's cool. You could put a tow. There is a tow hitch on it. Jump in there. Tell me what you think.
I really prefer you jumping.
You don't want to get in there?
I don't really.
This is a hot
It
mess.
smells. And look at all of these, and it still smells awful.
Oh, they took the radio with them.
That's how you know it's a good truck.
Darn it. I want to see what's in the bed, too. Let's just see what happens here. I don't know if this is going to even try to start, but... Oh, it's going to start. Here we go. Let's see what she sounds like.
Oh.
Come on, even up. Even up. A little bit. Low fuel, 216,000 miles. Maybe it's low enough where it's... Yeah, she's about to run out of fuel. She now won't start.
Sure she will. She'll start, Mike. You just need the key.
It's a little better, but there's... better than it was.
I thought I heard a rod knock when you
Yeah.
did a little rev. No, she sounds fine now.
She's idling up good.
She sounds fine.
Let's just go here real quick and see what she looks like. You got the little jumper seats in the back. And there's this around of what used to be in the radio. I wonder what the tow capacity is on these. Oh yeah. Okay.
Now, is this a 4 or 5 cylinder, Mike, or is it a straight 6?
Well, let me look. I don't know anything about Chevy trucks. What is this?
We're going to learn Mike on this. So
3,500.
3.5 liter.
It's a V6? What is it? 5? Is it one of those
Straight.
weird ones?
It's
Straight
straight,
5?
Yep, it's a 5.
Wow. Okay. That's different.
The coils hide underneath this
Underneath
mess.
it, yeah.
But,
Okay.
yeah.
But it's a straight 5. How about that? I kind of like it. I mean, it would be a big risk.
Just
But it's
needs a
kinda
rear
cool.
axle.
Yeah. And to get rid of that red camper shell,
No, leave it, man. It gives it character.
it would match my Corvette if I get that. Yeah.
Yes.
See? There we
go.
It idles good, though.
Yeah, not too bad.
Let's just look underneath here and see what we got.
It's not that hard to change an axle.
Oh, she's
Ooh,
been
wow.
used.
That's,
She's been used a lot.
That's a work truck right there. Good Lord. The bed is total from the inside.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
That's all right.
it's okay from the
Parts
outside.
hauler.
Right, that's all I
And a car
need.
hauler.
That's all I need. Nothing fancy. I like the exhaust tips. Z71 4x4. Nice. Well, doggy, what do you think? I don't know. If it would, it says drive. How is it going to drive with an axle that's all? But yeah, it only has to move a little bit, right, to be
Right.
considered a run and drive. Yeah.
Forwards and backwards. That's a foot. That's it.
I don't want to do that to her because that looks like it would hurt. She's kind of like my duck. She's got a limp. She's got a bad leg.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. All right. What do you think about my little pickup truck? Randy gives it 2 thumbs up. I'm kind of iffy about it. It would be kind of cool. It would tow. It would tow
Yeah.
some stuff. And I could throw engines and all kinds of crap in the back and not have to worry about it at all. But we'd have to fix the axle to even get it
No big deal.
home at all. So we'll think about that. So we'll put our thinker to it. I want to say thank you to everybody here at Copart. They're kind enough to line up the cars and make it very easiest for us to do around, walk around. And of course, my good friend Randy, thank you for dragging me up to Terre Haute 6, 7, 8, 9 times in
My pleasure.
a month or 2.
My pleasure. It's great, man. Yeah.
We have fun. We have done fun doing the walk arounds. So we're going to have another one coming up very soon, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.